Valentine's Day. Love it or leave it. It's that time of the year once more, when Cupid shoots his bow and arrow through hearts with love. Your significant other deserves a special gift from you that expresses your love. But let me tell you, the pressure is real. The focus of Valentine's Day should be on this. Making sure you have the ideal date prepared is important if you want your significant other to remember it forever. Yes, Valentine's Day can be a bit of a downer for those without a significant other, but that doesn't mean you can't have fun too. And, for those who are newly in a relationship, don't stress too much about making everything perfect. Use Valentine's Day as an opportunity to reignite the spark and keep the love alive. Plan a surprise date or do something different, like a couple's spa day or a romantic dinner at home. Valentine's Day is what you make of it. Whether you're single, newly in love, or in a long-term relationship, embrace the day and have fun. And, most importantly, remember to show love and appreciation to those around you, not just on Valentine's Day but every day. And, don't forget to use the hashtag #VDayThoughts so we can see your opinions.